Welcome back to another video of learning Java for beginners. So, in the previous video, as we learned that we use the println method to output values and print text in Java. So, let's quickly run it and check whether what it is printing. So, in the terminal part, as you can see, I am getting amazing journey to learn Java. Now, we can use as many println method as we want. Just the difference is it will add a new line for each method. So, let's try it quickly. Just copy paste this line and yeah, let's check it. So yes, we are getting this output in 3 different lines. Now what if we don't write this text under double quotes, so it will throw the error. Let's check what kind of error is thrown. See, it is showing in red marks, which gives a error. Now let's try to run it. It says builder failed due to debugging of Java. So it is not debugging only. So which means it is throwing an error. You need to write your text under the double quotes only. So there is also a print method, which is similar to the println method. The only difference is that it does not insert a new line at the end of the output. So let's check it how we do that. So we will add an extra space, write the print method, remove this ln from here, okay, and add some extra space on the ending of this so that we get a better readability. Okay, this is perfectly fine. So let's run it quickly and see. It is showing in one single line, amazing journey to learn Java space, amazing journey to learn Java space, and amazing journey to learn Java. It is printing in one single line. This is the difference between println and print methods. Now what if we want to print numbers? So unlike text, we don't put numbers inside the double quotes. We simply write it like this only. So what if we want to print a number called 3? In the next line, what if we want to print the number as 358? And for the third line, if we want to print the number as 5000. Don't forget to give the ln methods. If you want to know how this multi-cursor works, then just click on this any area where you want to give the multi-cursor. Just press Ctrl Alt on your keyboard and you will get a multi-cursor with the help of Ctrl Alt and this downward arrow button, which gives you multi-cursor. Now let's quickly run this and check. In 3 different lines, we are getting a number printed. Now, what if we want to perform some mathematical calculation inside the println method? For this, we need to write 3 addition 3. In this, we need to print the perform subtraction actions, and in this, we need to perform division actions, for which we are giving divide by 50. Now, let's see what we will get the output. So we will get the output for 3 plus 3, it is 6. For 358 subtraction, it is 310, and for division we are getting as 100. I have brought quiz for you to understand the concept more better and get the concept more easily. So before moving on to the quiz, first try to understand the question and write your answer in pen and paper method. Okay, so let's move on to our first question. So which method is often used to print text in Java? Take your own time, understand. So as we told in our previous video that for printing the text in Java, we use either print method and println method. So here println will be option. Yes, it's a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Text inside println method must be wrapped inside double quotes, which is very true, otherwise it will throw error. Moving on to the next question, we have what is the difference between println method and print method? So, as we talked in our video that using println method, every new line will be printed, and using the print method, same line the thing will be printed. So, the first line will be answer, that the println method adds a line break after printing while print does not. Now let's understand what are Java comments. So comments can be used to explain Java code and make it more readable, and it can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative codes. So there are many lines of comments. Like first is the single line comment, which is written using forward slashes. Any text between this forward slash and the end of the line is ignored by the Java. So like if you want to write a comment like this will print the number. Okay, so let's skip it as this will print the number. So let's check whether it is printing or not. See, it is not printed. That means it is functioning properly. So this is a single line comment. Now, what if we give this on the end of the line? So this, let's give it on the end of the line. So this is performing division operation. Okay. Now let me tell you what is Java multi-line comments. So multi-line comments mostly start with forward slash star and the text which is and ends with star backward slash. So the text, any text written between them will be ignored by the Java. So let's test it. Like if you want to write something between them, like this code will perform mathematical calculations. So let's check it out whether it is running or not. So it is completely running fine, which means this is not getting executed and it is getting ignored by Java. So yes, it's up to you which one to use. Normally we use this double slash for short comments, and for this we use for multi-line comments. Like for longer comments we use multi-line comments. You can also change line between them. Like if you want to print another line, that it will print the result of the mathematical operations. So anything written between this will be ignored by the Java. Another set of quests for you. So let's move on to the question. What is the output of the following code? Which is system.out.println 3+3, which gives 6 as an output. Means it is just performing the addition operation. Which is correct answer. Moving on to the next question. So the question is, numbers inside println method must be wrapped inside double quotes. No, only the string inside println method must be wrapped inside the double quotes. No matter it's for the number, you don't need double quotes for it. So the answer is false. Correct answer. Moving on to the next question. We have, what is the output of the following code? So as we did in the addition method, we similarly do in the multiplication method as well. So 2 into 5 will give 10. Another set of quiz for learning the concept of comments in Java. So what is the meaning of comments in Java? To output text variables, to create text variables, to explain and document code, to print text and numbers with a simple line of code. To explain and document code, which is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Comments in Java are written with special characters. Insert the missing parts. So for single line comments, we use this forward slash, and for multi-line comments, we use forward line slash, then star, and for ending, we use star first and then backward slash. Another correct answer. Moving on to the next question. When do we usually use multi-line comments? For longer comments, we use multi-line comments, not for shorter comments. For shorter comments, we use single-line comments. If you are watching my video till here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share this video's link with your friends and continue learning. Happy learning and happy coding.